Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Here today with my luxury wish list for 2019. I actually debated whether or not I should do this video, but I have seen so many great ones going around. My daily sweet, hi babe, her luxury wish list was awesome. Gina, hi love, hers was amazing. And I love, like if I'm doing my makeup or getting ready in the morning or doing the washing, I love just listening to it because it's almost like sitting having a chat with your girlfriend about, you know, what's going through her head in the way of shopping or things you like. And for us luxury enthusiasts, it's just so nice to exchange ideas. You know, it just helps you if it is a year where you're gonna buy. I know there's so many people writing to saying it's a no buy year. Each their own, totally fine if that's your plan. My opinion on that is just, the only thing I think I just want to say quickly, because I do get asked a lot about it, is one shouldn't exist without the other. Totally fine if you want to, you know, test yourself or, you know, set yourself a challenge, but one should not exist without the other. And what I mean by that is you shouldn't feel as though you should stop buying to enjoy this, to enjoy these items. I don't need to stop buying new items to enjoy these. These get a lot of love, like a lot of love. I pay them attention, I look at them, I look at what's new, I look at the detail, and it's not about what's next, what's next, what's next. Okay, I bought something, what's next? In an excessive kind of way. And I get lots of comments on Instagram like, oh my God, it's so excessive. It's just unboxing, unboxing, unboxing. How do you guys deal with this? It's like, what's new, what's new? But it is what's happening, you know. And if your mindset is on what's the next purchase, then it's almost like you're not doing it right in the beginning. It should be like, as an enthusiast, it's all inclusive. So really, if you're stopping buying for a year so that you love your items, that you have more, that's what I'm saying. One shouldn't exist without the other. Don't say I'm stopping buying. If someone comes up that you like and it's an awesome deal, sure, and you can afford to grab it, then getting it is a great option. That shouldn't take away from loving these beautiful items in themselves. Do you understand what I'm saying? It takes the pleasure out of it. Apparently my roof is gonna cave in. Hold please. Sorry about that. So to start off with, I just want to say a shout out to Miss Melinda, Lux Purse Love. I love her channel so much. I think she's just so genuine and gorgeous. And I want to shout out to her because I loved her luxury wish list, the way she set it up. So she basically, which I think is really nice to pay forward, and not pay it forward, but like to reflect on what your last year's wish list was and did you achieve any of those items. I think it's really nice to reflect, so I'm going to do that as well. I had to watch my video back to know exactly what it was. This item we did end up purchasing, and I purchased it online, and it is fantastic. It is such a nice card holder. It is so slim, so I'm so happy I got my hands on that. I did get my hands on these, and I think it's this exact pair. Is it? Yes, the exact pair. So the classic Christian Louboutin Pigalle 100, the original first ones in the color nude. I did, and I picked them up from davidjones.com.au, and I have loved them. They are right there. Ooh. These. One of my subbies, I think it was Daniel, hi love, said, Jerusha, you need to get these Celine's, they're so you. The thin shadow sunglasses are so you, add them to your glasses collection. I'm like, yes honey, of course I will do what you say. You send me an option to get something, I'm gonna get it for you, girl. So I got them, and all I did was just wear my large shadows. I wore them maybe twice, and then a subby emailed me and was like, why are you wearing your thin shadows? Do you want to sell them to me? Hi to that subby in Melbourne. And I was like, yeah, okay. because we get a lot of emails like that. Like, are you using this? Can I buy it off you? Gosh, okay, I did not acquire this myself. I did not pay for this, but my beautiful, beautiful Monique, my Emerald Queen, if you saw that video, gifted me the Louis Vuitton zippy coin purse. What? In all over monogram. So I was gifted it last year. So it made my wish list was completed because of that, which again, babe, I'm so thankful. You guys are so generous. It's just crazy. We're having a really successful run. Ding! We got this off the wish list. This is the Saint Laurent Lulu bag in the medium size is what I did pick up from, I think I picked it up from Matches Fashion. Oh my gosh, so cool. See, Melinda's right. This is really cool to recap, to see how you went. We went really well. Hello, friend. So here it is. The Valentino Clutch Rock Stud bag, handbag. It's got a little strap, but it's the clutch purely for weddings and events, and it does me so well, and it is so well made. That is why Valentino is so expensive, because they are so well made. This is so cool. This is so cool. What a successful run. Ding! So I picked it up. I sold my camera bag in the porcelain rose, which was the smaller, like moon-shaped one. I sold that and put the money towards this, which is the smaller flap in the GG Mum Online, and it's a beautiful, beautiful bag, so user-friendly. So that is such a great idea. Thank you so much, Melinda. And if you guys are going to do a luxury wish list for this year or not, that's cool. That could be a cool idea that you could add to share, like, what if you were successful with your wish list from 2018, which I think is total goals. So my wish list for this year, I'm going to start off by saying it seems crazy, like when, you know, if you start the year with videos and you have acquired stuff and unboxed straight away, which have been my last kind of 3 videos I've done unboxings. But I've ticked them off my wish list, so they're on my wish list. So first is the Birkin 30 centimeter. Ta-da! Especially from Fashion File, I put an asterisk because that was my goal. So here it is, tick, ding, that one is ticked off. My Rue Cambon purchase, yes, that got ticked off. Here it is right here, the beautiful cosmetic case in the, it's still called a small size, in caviar leather, light gold hardware, from 31 Rue Cambon, Paris. I had a SUBBIE or viewer on that video say it looked already like used. Is it pre-loved because it looked dimpled? No, this is that much softer, thinner caviar. The actual caviar is a lot thinner and softer. It's the same as my pink from the cruise collection. It's the same sort of thickness as that, so it's just naturally dimpling, which I don't care. I think it's beautiful. So we ticked that off. A Rue Cambon purchase. It's upstairs. It's upstairs. Preggers can't run upstairs straight away. The Louis Vuitton toiletry in the king size. Totally already ticked it off. Ding, purchase. Stuff on my wish list was these. This is this year's wish list. We headed very thick and fast into this year. Bam! The Andreas. I didn't say in my sunglasses collection a while back, I didn't say what these were actually called in the video when I watched it back, but these are the Andreas. I have wanted these for so long. So these are the Celine Andreas, tick, and the Celine ZZ tops, which a lot of people commented on that video that they like them. Please try and find them. I'll leave links below again if I can find them. But unfortunately, these collections, like the large shadows, the large shadows are classic, I think, but like the Andreas and the ZZ tops, they're phasing them out, so they're kind of a little bit more difficult to find. Okay, another item that I have ticked off is The Chanel, I told you when I did the unboxing, I woke up one day and went, I want to achieve this somehow. So the Chanel mini rectangular in the light gold chevron, which I ended up getting from Love Lots Luxury, Zenny in Singapore. Honestly, that was an epic thing to be able to tick off my list. And lastly, from the ticked off already, a wish list of 2019, and this was first. I didn't say that I ticked it off first because I wanted to leave it till last, but it's at the top of my list. So this and the Birkin are at the top of my list. This was actually at the top of my list. If I could just not have achieved anything already this year, or even have anything on my luxury wish list, it would have been just this backpack. Everything else is just the added zhuzh, but honestly, this backpack, you guys, I can't wait to do the first impressions. I knew I wanted to have a backpack. When they came back in, I was madly in love with them. I went, you know, straight for the Louis Vuitton PM size in the Palm Springs, but this just takes the cake. And I can't believe I unboxed it with you guys and I'm still using it. I don't want to change out of it. I went straight into it after that video. Never heard of with me. So let's go. Sticking in my Chanel mini addiction. I'm so addicted, and it's crazy because I'm so fat because I'm pregnant, and I'm just like, why are you buying all these tiny little bags? But I'm obsessed. So kind of already have my eye on something, but a Chanel mini rectangular in black caviar with possibly silver hardware. Okay, some Louis Vuitton items. Getting so many comments that I'm off Louis Vuitton. No, you can never be off Louis Vuitton, girl. If you went off Louis Vuitton, there is something wrong upstairs. I would like to acquire the Louis Vuitton Toiletry GM in monogram to add to my travel case collection that I'm accumulating in toiletries case, possibly. So that's the dome shaped one in the just in classic monogram. Would love to add the new cube collections, like packing cubes. So they have a large, they have a medium, and they have a small. I want to replace my like lashes bag for one of those cubes. I think they're so gorgeous. I would love to add the Louis Vuitton Nice jewelry case. However, I think it's like $1,700 and I'm a little on the fence. I'm not quite sure. Alrighty, are you ready? Hold on to your knickers. The Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse in all over monogram. Oh my god, the saga continues. This has been years, absolute years. When did I buy my first Pochette Matisse? My Pochette Matisse monogram reverse has sold. I know. I had a subbie inquire about it and said like, how are you liking it? I haven't seen you wearing it. I really want to get one. What do you think? I'm gonna be so honest, like she was searching and searching and searching for one. Obviously couldn't get one from Vuitton new, and that's fine. I totally, like, to be able to help her out, that's fine. I just sold it. I adore the all over monogram. I just do. I adore the earlier models, not the glazing melting models, but just the more kind of robust models. I'm really sorry to say, but the quality on the newer models, the actual quality of the bag, I'm not talking about glazing, I'm talking about lining, like the microfiber lining, it seemed thinner, it seemed less tactile to the bottom of the bag, it felt like it could move out. And it was, I don't know, it didn't sit well with me. And I had it for a couple of weeks, so that's where that went. So I'm in the market for a Pochette Matisse all over monogram. Oh my god. I did have Gucci Ace sneakers on this list, the Stars and Bees, which I did try on in David Jones Elizabeth Street on the 7th floor of their luxury shoe level, which is beautiful. Didn't want to fork it out. They had just had a price increase to $1,100 1,100 or 1,050 Australian dollars for the shoes. I was like, nah girl, nah. I would rather put that in, and in that vlog I luckily didn't buy it, because then I ended up buying my Chanel Urban Spirit backpack. Hello, oh my gosh. I have for some reason always liked the idea of a Chanel Gabrielle bag, whether in medium or small, which when I got my Urban Spirit backpack, I tried those two Gabrielle sizes on. The hard base, the soft top reminds me so much of my Chanel VIP flap, which I did like. It's almost like they have revamped that in a way, so it's definitely, you've got to know it's a really, really hard structured base, like hard. Okay. Who is ready for this part of my luxury wish list? I had a subby tell me when I got my ears pierced, why don't you invest in Tiffany rather than, you know, Swarovski, which is just rhodium plated. It's beautiful crystals, but try Tiffany. And I was like, oh yeah, you know, I get it, that's a good idea. Anyway, I just started looking into it and browsing their site. It's very specific though. Tiffany & Co. Gold. I am a true gold collector. I also have been very influenced by the Persians. My husband's Persian, they love their gold. They love bigger gold though, like I had a lot of 24 karat gold and 21 karat gold, and that stuff is really gold, like it's soft and it's really deep. It's like the vintage Chanel color. So obsessed, you guys. Every night I'm just on Tiffany & Co. browsing necklaces, browsing earrings, browsing bracelets, all in their 18 karat gold. And it ain't cheap. Tiffany do sterling silver so well, and it's great prices, really great prices for gifts. This all great sorts of beautiful gifts you could give in sterling silver. Don't get me wrong, I have a few Tiffany pieces in sterling silver, but their gold range, you guys, I'm obsessed. So, oh, hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
I was just...
How are we going?
This is my husband Will, which I'm sure a lot of you know, but I was just telling everybody how you really helped me and inspired me with my new merchandise collection.
Yes, they're all my ideas.
And we just, and I was, because
she copies me.
they're all his slogans.
The rouge is what I created.
That's right. But I just wanted to say on the end here, because I was just saying on the end of the video, thank you so much for your support on it. It's like doing so well. There's been some really good sales, and I was just like, what? He was home and I wanted him to have a little cameo. Because he was involved.
I was?
Yeah. Get your life.
Get your life.
Get your life.
Shut the front door.
Oh, we're going to have that?
Yeah, I think we need to have shut the front door. By the jackhammer guys.
Have I shown you it?
As a Father's Day gift.
Have I shown you
people
it?
you just want to make fun of.
Have I shown you it?
No.
It is so lit. Should we have lit?
Yes, so comment below any other sayings that should be made into merchandise. Or
Totally.
Put on a shirt, or a cup. Or a coffee mug that you want to give to someone as a present.
My coffee mugs are doing so well, you guys. Those I had a subby write to me, say the coffee mug with my, like, the Jerusha icon with the hair and the saying, you know, I'm not a diva, but could you please change seats so my handbag could sit there, is like doing so well. And everybody was like, that, because that's what I live by. And I'm like, there is so many crazy, there's so many crazy people out there.
Have you done a sketch?
What's a sketch?
Have you changed to sketch?
Oh, I put it as yes, honey, that'll be up.
Ah, cool.
The yes, honey.
Please buy, I get a percentage. As the producer and the ideas man.
Okay.
You know, I'm
cameo from Willie. We're going to say bye now. That is it. That brings me to the end of this luxury wish list 2019. A little bit already acquired. Let's see what the rest of the year holds. I love it. I trade, I sell, it's what I do. I've been doing it for ages and ages and ages. And yeah, this is the luxury community. This is what you'll click on this video to see, and it is a wish list. So if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you've got wish list items, put them in the comments below and let me see what you're lusting after. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.